Meditation for prosperity. We've all heard it. There's trouble brewing in the economy. Maybe you've noticed that your money doesn't go so far at the grocery store or for the things that you're looking for, the things that you want, or even just to create a little nest egg for yourself or invest in yourself. Teacher training, maybe. And it's all good because there's a meditation in the world of Kundalini Yoga that works really well. How do I know that? Verified. This is the meditation that I used to pay off my teacher training many years ago, and I think it's one of the best. It's super simple, uses mudra, a moving mudra, so hands are moving, and a mantra, har, har, har. Super simple. Let's begin. Sitting up tall and straight, we're going to start by tuning in, using a mantra to tune into the energy of prosperity, the energy of having full resources available to us, time, knowledge, energy, finances, everything that we need in order to take a project to the next level, to feel more resourced in our lives. That's what we're looking for. Money is one aspect, but those other elements are really important too. Sitting up tall and straight. And as you breathe, notice how abundant the breath is. Notice how freely you inhale and how freely you exhale. Make this the way that you treat all resources coming into your life. Easy come, easy go. Why? Because there's more. Now the mantra, Ong, Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call in my highest consciousness. The truth is, there is only one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Set your intentions now and release. Good. Take a moment to just flap out your fingers. Give yourself a moment here. Wiggle your shoulders. Just allow a little bit of movement in order to release and to relax. So the meditation now is to strike the sides of your hands together, the pinky sides, and then turn them upside down and bring the index fingers together. And thumbs are just crossing over each other underneath your hands. So the sound is har, 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 har. So we're going to do that fairly quickly and also with enough force that you can actually feel that. So a little bit of a reverberation as you move. Okay, let's go. Har, 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 hard, 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 hard. Inhale very deeply. Hold your muscles, hold your body. And exhale. The sound of the mantra har with the rolling of the tongue generates energy. So we're generating the energy of vitality here. Pressing your palms together at the center of your chest. We're complete now. The mantra long sat short nam, truth is my name. Sat nam. Hold yourself steady, and as you do that, staying in this vibratory frequency, call in all the resources that you need. Call in the time, the energy, the knowledge, the wisdom, the money. Satnam. Until next time.